How to activate bankwest debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can activate your bankwest debit card. Now let's get started. So to activate your bankwest debit card, these are the steps by bankwest themselves. So if you follow these steps, you will activate your card. So let's get started. So here you can see that there are different steps here. So first is before your physical card arrives, and after they arrive, you can then start with activation. So let's directly move on to activating it. So there are two ways you can do so. One is by the app, the other is through online banking. So if you open up your mobile app for your bankwest, you can directly log in and then tap on the Money tab. After you tap on the Money tab, you can then go to Cards in the top navigation and then finally select your new physical card that you just received. Then simply tap on the Activate card and then follow the prompts. That's how you do it in the apps. Now for the online banking, you can just go to your bankwest website, then log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you can then select Self-Service in the menu. Then you can finally select Manage Cards and then select the Manage button on the card that you received. That is the one that you want to activate. Then finally select Activate Card and then follow the prompts again. And those are the ways you can activate your bankwest debit card, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.